foods for improved brain power and cognition. Welcome to Health is for Life, your one-stop for all things health and wellness. Today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to eat well for mental energy. Mental energy is the ability to focus, concentrate, think clearly and creatively, and cope with stress. It's essential for our well-being and productivity. But did you know that what we eat can affect how we feel mentally? In this video, I'll show you some of the best foods to boost your brain power and mood, and give you a sample meal plan for a day. Let's get started. The first thing to consider is your blood sugar levels. Blood sugar is the fuel that your brain uses to function. If your blood sugar is too low or too high, you might feel tired, irritable, depressed, or anxious. To keep your blood sugar stable, you need to eat regularly and choose foods that release energy slowly into your bloodstream. These are called low glycemic index (GI) foods. Some examples of low GI foods are whole grain bread and cereal, nuts and seeds, brown pasta and rice. These foods will keep you mentally alert throughout the day and prevent cravings for sugary snacks. The next thing to think about is your essential fatty acids, AFAs. AFAs are fats that your body can't make by itself, so you need to get them from food. They are important for your brain health because they help to build cell membranes and nerve cells, reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. They also play a role in your mood by influencing the production of serotonin, the happy hormone. The best sources of AFAs are oily fish, such as salmon, trout, mackerel, herring, sardines and pilchards. You should aim to eat at least 2 portions of oily fish per week. If you don't eat fish or you're vegetarian or vegan, you can also get AFAs from flaxseed, soya beans, pumpkin seeds, walnuts and their oils. The last thing to consider is your amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins and neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals between your brain cells. They help to regulate your thoughts and feelings, such as happiness, sadness, motivation and memory. You can get amino acids from protein-rich foods such as lean meat, fish, eggs, cheese, soya products, legumes, nuts and seeds. You should try to include some protein in every meal and snack to support your mental function. So now that you know what foods to eat for mental energy, let me show you a sample meal plan for a day that incorporates all these nutrients. Breakfast: oatmeal with walnuts and blueberries. Snack: a handful of almonds. Lunch: salmon salad with whole grain bread. Snack: hummus with carrot sticks. Dinner: chicken stir-fry with brown rice. Dessert: Greek yogurt with honey and pumpkin seeds. Subscribe to the channel Health is for Life for more tips on healthy living. After all, health is for life. Thanks for watching.